Hey guys, it's Tony Smith with Dennis and Yachting. Today we're going to talk about an exciting program. This is a safeguard program which will guarantee the value of your boat over time. So basically how this works is it's where you have a defined period that you're protecting the asset at. There's different programs, but at the end of the term you get 100% of your money back, and including the premium that you pay to safeguard the boat. There's flexible alternatives throughout the program, such as being able to get a cash credit back towards the purchase of a new vessel. So a lot of people, they'll upgrade their boat in 5 or 6 year terms, and then they'll go from boat to boat. And with this, you protect the value of that depreciating asset, and you can roll that cash credit into a new program. And then if you decide, oh, this is my forever boat, I'm going to keep it, all of this, and you want out of the program after 25% of the term on the program, you can get 100% of your premium back. So really some very, very nice options. I've done an analysis, so I'm going to show you how this works here. So don't get all concerned with all the numbers. I'm going to talk you through all of this. So whether you're buying a $400,000 boat, $1 million boat, $5 million boat, $20 million boat, the program works the same way. And again, there's different terms and flexibility with how we put the program together. But for this example, we're using a vessel that's valued at $1 million. And for that, the safeguard program is a 35% premium. Don't worry, you're going to get all that back at the end of it. So in this example, it'd be $350,000. And then this assumes the vessel depreciating at 6%. So I'm going to take you through all of these different things and kind of show you how that works off. So the first graph here, this is your estimated value on the yacht itself. So at a 6% depreciation, and this is a typical what we're seeing for motor yachts in the industry, typical depreciation, we're going to be looking at that $1 million yacht will be worth about $690,000 in 6 years. And then at the 12-year mark, we're going to assume that $1 million yacht is about $476,000. And that's assuming that you don't have damage and other expenses and things like that. So buying a yacht, obviously it's a pleasure purchase. It's not necessarily a financial purchase. Or financially beneficial purchase. We're going to show you how to kind of flip the script on that by using the safeguard program. So when we take a look at this, again, most people, they want to upgrade their boat periodically. So say if you're 5 or 6 years into this, you get a loyalty credit. So how this works along the program here is at the 3-year mark, you'd have $248,000 of loyalty credit. So you'd have the value of your yacht plus $248,000 to add onto the yacht. And then after 6 years, a typical upgrade term, you'd have half of that value in loyalty credit. So you'd actually have $500,000 in loyalty credit plus the value of the yacht. In 9 years, this would accumulate up to $748,000 of loyalty credit on top of the value of the yacht. So again, we've taken what was a depreciating asset, and now we've wrapped that into a loyalty program where you can always upgrade your yacht, or again, if you just want to get your premium for the program back, you can do that at any time after you've consumed 25% of the term of this. So how does all this work? This slide here kind of shows you an overview of the exact percentages and the years. And again, this could be a 10-year term, 12-year term, 15-year term. You need to decide on that, and the premium will vary, but the most common one is a 12-year term. So at the end of this, you have the option to either keep the yacht and just get your premium back, or what most people would opt to do is they'd get their full buyback at that 12-year mark. So for this example, they get the value of the yacht plus the value they paid originally plus the premium. So they would get the $1.35 million back at the end of the 12-year term, and they would just hand the keys to the boat over to Safeguard, and they would take care of it. So I'm going to show you one more graph. So when you assume the loyalty credit plus the value of the yacht, this is how everything graphs out here. And then I'm going to overlay all this data together. So again, the red is your depreciating asset, the green is the loyalty credit, and then really the gold here is the value of the yacht plus the loyalty credit. And then again, at the end of the term, if you want to just hand the keys back over, you can do that. So in summary, the basic features of the Safeguard program here are you're going to protect your leisure asset. You're going to have a guaranteed buyback at the end of the term with 100% of the value of the yacht that you paid and also the premium that you paid into the program. You have a loyalty program throughout, so if you decide, oh, this isn't the right boat, I want to upgrade, downgrade, whatever it is, you take the value of the yacht plus your loyalty credit and you can apply that to a different vessel, or you can simply opt out of the program after 25% of the term. So if you say, hey, it's my forever boat. I'm never going to sell it. I want my premium back. Boom, you get your premium back, and then you're out of the program. So one last point here, and this is awesome. This program is fully insured and protected. So the Safeguard program is backed by A-rated insurance companies, including Swiss Re and Lloyd's of London. So you know that this is a program you're putting your money into, get your loyalty credit back, know that you're going to get your, in this example, $1.35 million back at the end of the term, and this program is all fully insured. Some of you may be saying the Safeguard program sounds like it's too good to be true. I do want to point out a few stipulations on this, reasons why you may not want to do this program. So the first reason is you may just be really awesome with your money. If you're an investment banker or some sort of Bitcoin guru and you know you've got a secure investment, you may want to take, in this example, the $350,000 and invest that somewhere else. You may be able to outperform what you would get in your guaranteed buyback through the Safeguard program. So if you're a financial wizard and you want to invest the 350 grand, your Safeguard money elsewhere, that's certainly your option to do, and it may make sense for you not to enroll in the program. The other factors here are with the Safeguard loyalty. Some people are asking, all right, how does that loyalty credit actually work? So there's a few stipulations on it. The Safeguard loyalty, it can be used at any point throughout the program. It does need to be used with the same broker that you bought the boat from. So the same broker can help you with a new boat or a used boat, but it does need to go through the Safeguard program and the Safeguard broker that you did the transaction with originally. And the new boat does need to be wrapped into a Safeguard policy as well. The other factor here is if you're financing the boat, you may have, if you're financing the vessel and the Safeguard program together and wrapping that together, you may have to have a larger down payment. So that's something that you need to consider. We can help you with finance options here at Denison. And then the last point that I want to point out here is if the vessel is going to go into a charter program, you can actually use the Safeguard. So that's another feature why you may want to do a Safeguard. You can use that charter revenue to offset the expense of it, and then in 12 years, get your full vessel value back, or midway through, use your loyalty credit to upgrade the vessel. So that's, you know, if you combine Safeguard with charter revenue, that can be a really great point as well. So if you guys want to talk to me about how to purchase a yacht and protect its value and wrap it up in a Safeguard program, please feel free to reach out. My other brokers at Denison, I'm working with them as well on a daily basis with this program. So really look forward to helping you guys get into an awesome boat and protect that asset as you move forward. So please like and subscribe, and let me know any questions that you may have. For additional information, please email me at ts@denisonyachting.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and be on the lookout for additional videos